this video I'm gonna show you if you encounter an issue while creating a template message directly from our chatbot builder. Like sometimes when you create apply for send to review, you might get an error, something related to permission. So if that error happens, I'm gonna show you what you have to do in this video. So first of all, log into your Facebook account which you connected or created your business Facebook Meta business account associated with the current WhatsApp number that you connected. Like you will be using a business account. Log into your Facebook account, log into your profile. Do one thing, go to settings and privacy, and inside that again click on settings. Inside the settings page, you can find something called business integrations. Just click on it. So inside your integration, when you connected cloud API, when you create cloud API, you can see that cloud API. Like for me, from the developer account, the app I created for WhatsApp cloud API, it's named Rapidbott itself. So go click on view and edit. Inside that, make sure you have checked everything. Manage and access conversation in WhatsApp. Like make sure that it's all checked for that particular WhatsApp account. This is all selected. If all selected, click on save. That's it. Then again you can find our app name, chatbot app. That is our integration with your Facebook business integration. So click on view and edit again. There you can find, so clear, make sure you have checked everything. For page can access conversations on Messenger, just click on that particular account is been selected everywhere. So Instagram you can leave, manage like if these things are checked in properly, just make sure all the pages are connected. And if in the WhatsApp section business, if that particular account is selected or not, make sure that it's selected to the corresponding application in our integration. It's already connected. Make sure it's all checked in properly. After doing that, go do a reload the tab and try to connect the do the process once again. Try to create the template message once again. That error should not be there. It should be fixed at that point. Like if make sure that all done properly, this issue won't happen. Still facing any issues, reach out to our support team. We will help you solve the problem. Thank you.